Hi. Now, I downloaded a very advanced application on the internet, and it will help me tell you about significant figures. Okay? I was lying about the advanced application, by the way. This is how I will tell you about significant figures. Now, as the paper goes up, you won't see my face, but that's probably no harm. Okay, so population of Sweden is, we'll go over here, 9,121,346. So I'll just show you the other ones. This is confusing. The amount of strands of hair, if you have blonde hair, is about 141,232. Now I just made up that number and we'll call it Anna that has that, okay? Okay, and then, let me go like this. I go a bit mental when I go on the camera, I just noticed that. Anyway, okay. Now, if you have black hair, let's say you have 93,265. The zero there makes no difference, sure it doesn't. The width of a cotton fiber is 0.000012 meters. And the length of the average red ant is 0.005 meters. Did I really need to read out all those numbers? Probably not. Jesus, it's complicated. Okay, so which are significant? Me pen. Now, look, just think of it like this. Significant means, that's where you meant to say something. Significant means, another word for it would be important or important. You got a funny accent. So, what's the most significant number there in that number? Do we really care about those 6? No. I mean, can you see that it is 9? Okay? That is your first significant figure. Let's go down. What's the most significant figure there? Well, it has to be the 1, doesn't it? 140. Jesus, you're going to get epilepsy looking at this. 141,232. It has to be the 1, doesn't it? The first one, obviously. Okay, now here it has to be the 9. Okay? The 0 is not important. I just put that in there to mess with your head a bit. Okay? So those 3 are the first significant figures. Yeah? Okay. Now, what's the second significant figure going to be? Well, it must be this 1. I'm going to do a circly thing. What's the second significant figure going to be? Well, it must be the 4. Second most important number there, yeah? And what's the second significant figure in the last one? It has to be 3. Okay. Okay. So, you get the idea? Third significant figure, fourth significant figure, fifth significant figure. It'll keep going on and on and on. Now, it gets a bit funny when we get the decimals, and I'll show you why. Okay, think about this for a sec. So, I'm going to go like this. Now, the width of a cotton fiber is 0.000012 meters. Okay? What is the first significant figure there, would you say? and I got confused about this when I kind of glanced at it first. But this is important now. So what would it be? What is the number? Where does it get interesting? Where does it get interesting? Where does it get significant? Well, sure, it only gets interesting at the 1. The other zeros in front are really just telling you that it's in the tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. It's in the hundreds, thousands column. The 1 is in the 100,000 column. So look. Jesus, this mirror thing is messing with my head. I had to unmirror the video so that you wouldn't see all this backwards. But now I'm really disoriented trying to work out where to go. God, I don't know if I'll make it to the end of this video. Anyway, look, it has to be that 1 is the first significant figure. Okay, that's the first significant figure. And then, look, so you get the gist of it now. What's the first significant figure in 0.005? Yes, it has to be the 5, yes? And there is no second significant figure, that's it. Okay, it has to be the 5, alright? Do a line underneath the 5. Oh God, I really need, Khan Academy is a bit ahead of me. I won't be getting many site views with this kind of standard of video. Anyway, so you get the gist of it, yeah? You get the gist of it. They are the first significant figures and the second significant figure. So the second significant figure of 0.00012 is going to be 2. Yeah, all right. Okay. I think I better take a break.